another one. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Chang back with I can't say another banger because it's the second video that I'm doing, but back with a banger. All right, guys, what's going on? So we've got, as you guys seen from the intro, we've got a part. I've been looking forward to this part for a little while. I kind of briefly went over it with my first vlog, like the intro and stuff like that, where I brought you guys in. But we're gonna go ahead and unbox this beast, man, and you guys are gonna see what we got planned. All right, guys, so opening up box number one. We've, man, I'm so excited for this. So we've got our micro SD card right here. This is what we're gonna be loading all of our files up onto. We have the OBD2 and Ethernet port. My car, guys, man, you guys already know what the fuck we got going on. Now, let me stop, man. You guys already know what we got going on, man, with just this right here, my car people. We have our, right here, it looks like a vacuum piece to it. And guys, we have the N-Gauge tuning device, guys. So pretty much this right here is just gonna allow me to flash my tunes and stuff like that. As far as tuning goes, guys, I did go with LUND. I was tossed up between LUND and PBD, Palm Beach Dyno, and I mean, LUND just holds some of the craziest times, man, and some of the best records as far as NA cars, even boosted cars go. You know, not saying that PBD is bad by any means, man. I've heard great things about those guys, and you know, I mean, who knows what the future holds, man. But I went ahead and went with LUND this time around, and I mean, I couldn't be happier with my decision. They've already went and emailed me my tune, guys. We're gonna get some reaction vids in, guys, and see what I really think about it, all right? All right, guys, I already went ahead. I got the second box open. We actually went ahead with the JLT cold air intake, guys. Fuck. JLT cold air intake. I am super stoked, man, to put this thing on. I'm hoping that we can get maybe, I don't know, with the tune and the intake combined, man, I'm hoping we can gain maybe about 15, 20 horsepower, 15, 20 pound-feet of torque. I mean, that'll be awesome. I don't know if I'll actually vlog me putting this on the car. I mean, it's just an installation, guys. I'm sure you guys don't really care about any of that good jazz. But what I will do is, I will do a before and after comparison. And a reaction vid pretty much, man, because, I mean, for the most part right now, as far as performance goes, guys, we are pretty much just stock. It's not like, I've got a bunch of bolt-ons and all that stuff, and I mean, we're pretty much stock right now, and even now it feels pretty quick to me. So I'm just super stoked, man, to see how this is gonna come along, you know what I mean? Let me see, man, if they put that freaking JLT flag in there. Everybody over on YouTube is, oh, I got the JLT flag, and they went ahead and they hooked me up, and look, nothing. Oh, paper. Where's the fucking flags? All right, guys, I'm done. Let's go ahead. Let's put this on. I will be right back, guys, as soon as I'm done putting this on, and we're gonna just make some sick freaking content, man. That's it, guys. My warranty. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Right now we're just kind of driving around a little bit, letting the car get nice and warm and everything get nice and oiled up and lubricated. Jesus Christ, I gotta clean my fucking windshield. But we're just gonna go ahead and let her get nice and warmed up, guys, and we're gonna take a little trip down to Mexico. Take a little trip down to Mexico and see if we can just do a pull, man, and see what we're thinking, see what we're feeling. I mean, I'm thinking she's gonna feel pretty good. But let's go ahead and see, guys. All right, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and get a little bit of pull action going on here. All right, I gotta hold you guys with one hand with the camera, so I can't use my paddle shift as much. But let's go ahead and see what we can do, guys. All right, here we go. she's feeling good. Jesus, man, that went to like almost fucking 8K. God damn, she ain't shifting that 74 no more. This thing feels fucking good, guys. She feels good. Excuse my dirty ass windshield, like I said earlier. But yeah, man, she feels pretty good. We got up to about what, 120. I'm just trying to be careful. This is a hot spot for the 5.0. So I'm just trying to be careful for the cops, man. But holy fuck, dude, that felt pretty damn good. We'll see if we can get one more pull in, guys. Let me find somewhere open road where there's not many people, and we will go ahead and see if we can get another pull in for you guys. All right, let's send that shit right here, right fucking now. She wants to fucking spin, bro. God damn. Yo. Yo, this shit has so much fucking more power, bro. I can't take it. Yo. Bro, I kid you not. You gotta just get behind this fucking wheel, bro. This shit has fucking... Look at that shift! How quick that shift was! She just wants to fucking spin, bro. I used to be able to flat foot first and just take the fuck off. Especially with these Michelin PS4s. I used to just be able to fucking flat foot it, bro, and just gun it. Just go. And she was spin city. We ain't boosted, no shit like that, but guys, that was it just in every gear, man. There's power in every gear, bro. And I'm in, guys, that's not even half throttle. Like, she just wants to yank me right along. I know once we go E85, this is gonna be a whole different ball game. I was not expecting this, man. I really wasn't. Wow. Wow. All right, guys, we have some open road over here. I'm gonna see if I can get another pull. See if I can get another pull, but I mean, I don't know. I just back there, man. Somebody was pulled over by the cops, and you know we're trying to be careful here, guys. So let's see. I am extremely happy with these results. Anyways, look, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and park this bitch, man. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to you guys smell it. And you guys for watching, man. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys do want to see. I know y'all want to see my fucking dirty ass windshield go away. I'll go ahead and I'll take care of that for you guys. But let me know what you guys want to see. You know, let me know what you guys think. Like I said, we are tuned by LUND, guys, and I haven't got my suction cup mount, but there's my end gauge right there. And just so far, man, I am happy with these results, guys. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, all right? If you want to follow me on Instagram, it's coyote_tang. I'll go ahead and link that in the description. Just thanks for watching, guys. I am super stoked, you know, for the results we got so far. Stay tuned, stay safe, guys. See ya.